Once close to a mountain village, there lived a small sparrow. Nothing pleased her better than the open sky. She flew every morning, very high above the trees. The wind was her friend. The clouds were her home, and her heart was free. But one day, a storm came. The sky was filled with dark clouds. There was lightning and thunder. The sparrow attempted to get through it, but some sharp flash came near. The wind blew her to and fro like a leaf, and she fell down to the ground. When she opened her eyes, her wings hurt badly. She tried to fly, but couldn't. Her wings were feeble, torn, dead. Days turned into weeks. She sat under a solitary tree and observed other birds flying freely. She whispered to herself, "Why me? What did I do wrong? Why has fate taken my wings?" Her voice was full of pain. Her eyes had no hope left. One morning, a monk passed by the tree. He watched the little birds sitting quietly. He asked gently, "Little one, what makes you so sad?" The sparrow said softly, "I could fly so high in the sky, but now I could not even raise myself. My existence did not have a sense anymore." The monk smiled. His eyes were calm and he said softly, "Then walk. Your feet must also be known to the earth." The sparrow looked up with a shock. "Walk? But I'm a bird. Birds don't walk." The monk stared at her pretty face and said, "When one way has been shut, another opens. You just have to see it." Then he turned and walked away. The sparrow sat there for a long time thinking. His words didn't make any sense, but they stayed in her heart. At night, while sitting under the stars, she whispered to herself, "Maybe I should try." The following morning, she made her first step. It was small, slow, and painful. Each day, she walked a little further, and as she walked, she started to see things. Little flowers growing out of the rocks, the ants that deliver food to their households. Little mice and turtles and frogs greeted her. On the ground, she had found fallen seeds, food that had never been seen while flying. The more she walked, the more she knew. She started to adore the noise of her feet on the ground, the shade of the trees, the cool wind on her face. Her heart grew peaceful. She stopped asking, "Why me?" and began to say, "Thank you, God." Weeks passed. One morning, she was feeling something different, a strange warmth in her wings. She stretched them slowly. They didn't hurt anymore. She flapped once, twice, and suddenly she lifted off the ground. The sky felt new, softer, kinder. She had no more desire to run after the wind, and she flew lazily. And now she saw the monk again. She flew down beside him and bowed her head. She said, "Thank you. You were right. The sky feels different now." The monk smiled. He looked at her and said, "The heavens are waiting for those who respects earth first. You lost your wings to know how to walk, and you learned to walk, to learn how to fly again." The sparrow understood. Her pain wasn't a punishment. It was a lesson to slow down, to see, feel, and grow. From that day on, she was never afraid of falling, because she knew even if she lost her wings, she would still discover how to proceed step by step. And that is the way the little sparrow altered her fortune. Not by flying again, but by learning to walk first. Dear listeners, somehow in life we are also facing such situations. This story carries a deep truth for all of us. When we face difficulties in life, we became helpless and started complaining about it. But complaining only leads to pain, but gratitude gives you inner peace. So change your attitude. Start thinking about the positivities in life. You will feel that the peace comes within you. If this story inspires you, then also share it with your loved ones to make them feel positive.